Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download your Chase transaction history as a PDF so you can save it, print it, or share it when needed. To get started, open the Chase mobile app or go to chase.com in a web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, select the account you want the transaction history for, such as your checking or savings account. Next, look for an option that says Statements and Documents or Account Statements and tap on it. From there, choose the statement period you want to download. Chase statements are usually organized by month. Once you select a statement, you'll see the option to view it or download it as a PDF. Tap Download and the PDF file will be saved to your device or computer. If you're using the Chase mobile app, you may need to use the Share or Save option to store the PDF in your files or email it to yourself. After downloading, open the PDF to make sure it includes the transactions you need. You can repeat this process for different months or accounts as needed. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you download your Chase transaction history as a PDF, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.